Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today's video is going to be a very quick overview of the Sephora collection masks. So I did pick up all 8 of their face masks along with a hair mask and eye mask as well. So like I said, there are 8 face masks and each one targets a very specific skin problem. So I'm just going to go ahead and run through those. So we have the Orchid face mask, which is for anti-aging and smoothening. We have the pomegranate face mask, which is for anti-fatigue and to energize the skin. The lotus mask is to moisturize and soothe. We have the pearl mask to perfect and brighten the skin. The rose mask is to moisturize and brighten the skin as well. We have the green tea mask to mattify and works as an anti-blemish agent. Then we have the algae mask, which is meant to purify and detoxify the skin. And finally, we have the avocado mask, which is meant to nourish and repair the skin. So I just wanted to show you what it looked like. So I went ahead and used the avocado mask right before I started filming. So basically, you peel this off, and it comes with 1 sheet mask per kit. And each of these are $6. So I wanted to show you guys, when you first take it out, the sheet comes wrapped in this pink cloth. This is not the actual mask though. This is just to help keep the product moist in the packaging. The actual mask is the white one. So this sheet has a cutout for the eyes, nose, and mouth. So you literally just wear it against your face. It says to leave it on for 15 minutes, but I like to leave it on a little longer than that so the product really absorbs into my skin. If I leave it on for too long though, I do feel like I start to get a little itchy. Besides that, the products smell really nice, they're really comfortable on the skin, and I feel like I instantly notice that my skin is hydrated, looks more bright and plump as soon as I use it. I know a lot of sheet masks can be $15 to $20 a sheet, so $6 does seem to be a pretty decent price, and I feel like these are really great for hydrating the skin, especially now in the winter time because my skin has been a lot drier. So overall, I feel like the masks are a really good option if your skin just needs a little extra hydration. They're really easy to use and perfect for just like a weekly at-home spa. They also have these eye masks, which are literally just shaped perfectly to fit below the eye. I have tried these and like these as well. They also have a lip mask. And now I saw they have hand, feet masks as well. And now they even have hair masks. So the way it works, the bottom here comes with the actual mask. And on the top, they have a cap. It's kind of like a shower cap, so you can go ahead and sleep with it during the night and then wash it out in the morning. I hope you guys enjoyed this short review. If so, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them down below, or let me know your thoughts if you have tried these masks before. Of course, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you until next time. Bye!